What's up everyone, Manny from Motomillion here. Sorry for my voice, I've been a little under the weather lately. We have 650iB's V4R here in Miami with us. So happy to have him here. We updated some of the parts on the bike, like this WRS smoke windscreen, the Ducati bike gas control, these outstanding Rotobox bullet wheels that have forged carbon, and the traditional carbon weave on the barrels. First set to ever go out in public. We've also installed the Sita aluminum rear sprocket, full 6 swing arm cover. The real cool part about this swing arm cover is that it bolts on and clips on from the bottom here. You don't have to use any glue or any adhesive for that. And just look at this bike. All in all, it looks beautiful. Really love this full 6 rear carbon subframe, the NRC tail tidy kit, TWM rear sets, Desmo World clear clutch cover, the full 6 frame covers. This thing's just stunning. I don't think I've seen any V4 nearly as beautiful as this one. It even has the headlight stay in carbon, so that is usually a magnesium piece, but if you look in here, right here, all these pieces are carbon on the bike now. Gives the bike such a distinct look. Also have the Ducati Performance tank grip, TWM fuel cap. It even has a full 6 race belly pan that's all carbon and is painted to match. The bike's red. And just look at this thing, looks beautiful. All the carbon is glossed over, so anything that came matte or satin on this bike is gloss. As the NRC front turn signals, this thing is by far the nicest Panigale V4. Thanks for all your support, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and until next time.